all the way down. It went straight through it.
Like, I barely felt that one. And that was kind of a crappy hit on it. It's freaking